The world is shrinking. There is relatively invisible and unexplored world. A world which is a billion times smaller than the average scale visible to the human eye. But why do we have to talk about small things? Because they ultimately teach us about the universe we live in. Because properties of materials are size dependent when working at the nanoscale. Because we know that scientists have the power to adjust and fine-tune material properties such as melting point, fluorescence, electrical conductivity, magnetic permeability, chemical reactivity, to improve overall product quality. Because we know that human life and well-being is dependent on constantly monitoring the air around us. Because we know that analyzing the small will enable us to make a big change. Because we know small is the new big. Scientists across the globe are working on material characterization to reshape the world around us. Literally. Don't believe us? Pick up your smartphone and check out the clear nanoscale film on it, making it scratch-proof and water-resistant, or the use of nano generators to charge your phones while you walk. The list is endless and exists in everything around us. Yes, everything. Growing awareness and deteriorating air quality has increased the interest of researchers worldwide in monitoring and improving the air quality in events like crop burning, stove cooking, vehicular emissions apart from major industrial activities. This has called for a deeper understanding of how aerosols affect our environment and what can be done to help keep the air clean. We at AlfaTech enable the researchers and scientists to work with new domains in physics that apply at very small scale, whether the microscale like aerosols, or even further down to nanoscale like surfaces of metals, food, textiles, or even skin. In nearly 3 decades, AlfaTech has worked tirelessly with the researchers, scientists, and academia to provide them with the adequate solutions for achieving their research and development goals. Joining hands with our global partners, AlfaTech endeavors to lay emphasis on co-creating best technological solutions to meet the needs of the Indian scientific community, developing a much intelligent planet. AlfaTech. Utilizing the power of small to make big changes.